If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Renegade Latitude in black. With automatic headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, height adjustable rear cargo floor, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 5310A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.